Today I will tell you what I dream about, why are dreams useful, and what to do to dream more. If you ask people about dreams, they will probably give you a different answer. Some people will tell you that they dream almost every day, while some people will tell you that they haven't dreamed in years. I actually believe that you can learn dreaming, and I will tell you how to at the end of this video. Now, why are actually dreams a useful thing? For everybody it will be a different reasoning, but for me it's a great world building tool. Almost all of my dreams are fantasy or sci-fi and they have some interesting plotlines, characters, continents and backstories. Just the other day I have dreamt about Mr. Beast digging out dinosaurs and me being a powerful magician, so if you would like to hear this story, subscribe to the channel so if the video comes out, you won't miss it. And you might be asking now, what other thing apart from fantasy world building can I get from dreams? And funnily enough, mentioning Mr. Beast again, he said in one of his interviews that he uses dreams to think of video ideas.
I'm not as hardcore because we got hundreds of ideas now, you know, but when I was younger, like I would train myself like to lucid dream. I'd like try to like strategically brainstorm ideas while I would sleep, and like I'd wake up in the middle of the night and write down ideas.
Isn't that cool? Well, it's kind of crazy. You can also meet your friends and family in these dreams and have interactions with them. But keep in mind that they are not real and will probably have some different character traits. They might be rude to you, they might be angry, they might be even serial killers. But keep in mind it's not real, please don't hold it against them, it's kinda cringy. Now for the part what I dreamed about. Since dreams are fiction, I usually dream about some fantasy or sci-fi things, and usually those are the things that I see, read or watch right before I go to sleep. So when we were all homeschooled, I watched like 14 episodes of Stargate every day, and you can bet I saw Stargate, the heroes, the villains, the gate itself, every time in my dreams, and it was amazing. I totally loved that universe, but yeah, it was just like a fun thing. I was there, you know, fighting, all that kind of jazz. It was really interesting, and that was a really fun dream. I also dream about scouting, medieval themed games, Minecraft, subscribing to this channel and many more. Now with all of these experiences out of the way, let me give you some tips on how to make your dreams more vivid, dream more and dream about what you want. To dream about what you want to, the best thing is to, well, live through it or think about what you want to dream in that dream right before you go to bed. So for me, if I just read like a message from somebody, I might see them in the dream. If I watch a show right before I go to sleep, I will probably be in that show and similar things like that. The things you do right before your sleep are the things that will most likely be in your dreams. But now, and this is quite interesting, what works for me for having more vivid dreams is also the same thing that helps me have more dreams. And the thing I'm talking about is writing them down. People don't actually remember their dreams and will forget them in 30 minutes after waking up. So the best thing to do is to write down your dreams before you forget. I usually write bullet points of the most important things in those dreams. So for example, I could have something like this. King of a large country, there are 3 heroes, one of them has a unicorn, they are going to spy on a dragon, and one of them is a secret German. I know this sounds silly, but some of my bullet points are like this, and you might actually find out that your bullet points are the same. Then, having the points written out, I'm usually able to write at least 2 paragraphs, and if you hit that like button, I'm sure you will be able to do the same. So to recap, I recommend watching, reading, or thinking about things you want to happen in your dreams. Set your timer a bit early so that when you wake up, you actually have enough time for writing down your dream. I can sometimes write for 30 minutes, but that is a bit of an overkill. So yeah, you can check more videos in one of those corners. There should probably be a video on New Year's resolution and how to set your goals. And if you enjoyed today's videos, please subscribe and I will see you next time.